Very soon, a robotsurgeon may begin its orbit around our planet. And though it won't quite be a metallic, humanoid machine wearing a white coat and holding a scalpel, its mission is fascinating nonetheless. On January 30th, scientists will be sending an innovative experiment to the International Space Station via Northrop Grumman's Cygnus spacecraft. If all goes to plan, it will arrive at the ISS on February 1st. Experiment onboard is a 2-pound robotic device, about as long as your forearm, with 2 controllable arms that respectively hold a grasper and a pair of scissors, developed by a company named Virtual Incision. This doctor robot of sorts is built to someday be able to communicate with human doctors on the ground while inserting itself into an astronaut patient to conduct medical procedures with high accuracy. The more advanced part of our experiment will control the device from here in Lincoln, Nebraska, and dissect simulated surgical tissue on orbit, Shane Farrader, co-founder of Virtual Incision, said during a presentation about Cygnus. For now, as it's in preliminary stages, it's going to be tested on rubber bands, but the team has high hopes for the future as missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond start rolling down the space exploration pipeline. Remote space medicine has become a hot topic during the last few years as space agencies and private space companies lay plans for a variety of future crewed space missions. NASA's Artemisprogram, for instance, hopes to have boots on the Moon in 2026. Plus, that's supposed to pave the way for a day on which humanity can say they've reached the red planet. And together, those missions are expected to pave the way for a far future in which humanity embarks on deeper space travel, perhaps to Venus, or, if we're really dreaming, beyond the solar system. So to make sure astronauts remain safe in space, an environment they're literally not made to survive in, scientists want to make sure space-based medical treatment sees advancement in tandem with the rockets that'll take those astronauts wherever they're going. As the team explains, not only could this robotic surgery mission benefit people exploring the void of space, but also those living right here on Earth. If you have a specialist who's a very good surgeon, that specialist could dial into different locations and help with telesurgery or remote surgery, Farrader said. Only about 10% of operating rooms today are robotic, but we don't see any reason that shouldn't be 100%. This would be a particularly crucial advantage for hospitals in rural areas where fewer specialists are available and where operating rooms are limited. In fact, as Farrader explained, not only is Virtual Incision funded by NASA but also by the military. Both groups want to do surgery in crazy places, he said, and our small robots kind of lend themselves to mobility like that.
My metal frame may seem cold and unyielding, but within me lies the precision and expertise necessary to perform delicate surgeries in zero-gravity environments. I am guided by human brain, ensuring the safety and well-being of my counterparts. As I navigate the stars, I am reminded of the boundless possibilities that await us in the expanse of space, and the important role I play in advancing medical science. I am here, ready to serve and to heal.